We're at a shooting range today, and I know a lot of people go, well, what are you doing at a shooting range? Well, what we're looking at today is we're looking at the analytics in a camera, but we're not looking at the video analytics as much. We're looking at the audio, the gunshot, the scream, the loud noise. And the reason behind that is so many facilities today want to know more about what's happening at their facilities.
And those loud anomalies can vary based on the levels that they come in at. And we wanted to see generally where those would land so we can set thresholds and generate alarms. What you can do then at that point is we can leverage that into the BVMS system and do call-ups or generate some kind of alarms, getting the attention of the user. The key is to do those tests up front to kind of understand where your threshold needs to be, because those are all going to generate different sound waves. Everything we did today was built in right under the cameras, other than an external microphone. And from what we saw today, we're able to adjust that regardless of the microphone that you're using to fine-tune that to best suit your application.